Hey everyone. So, are you trying to upload a file in Slack but it keeps failing? Maybe the upload gets stuck, or you see a message saying the file couldn't be uploaded. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to quickly share documents or images with your team. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Slack file upload failed problem in 2026, and most of these fixes are quick and easy. First, check your internet connection. Uploading files requires a stable connection, so if your network is slow or unstable, the upload may fail. Next, check the file size. Slack has limits on how large a file can be uploaded, depending on your workspace plan. Another simple fix is refreshing Slack or restarting the app. Sometimes the upload fails because the app temporarily loses connection with Slack servers. If you're using Slack in a browser, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Cached data can sometimes interfere with file uploads. In some cases, special characters in the file name can cause upload issues. Try renaming the file using simple letters and numbers, then upload it again. If uploads still fail, check Slack's server status. Sometimes Slack services experience temporary issues that affect file uploads. If the problem continues, make sure Slack is updated to the latest version. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the app to install a clean version. And that's it. Most Slack file upload problems can be fixed by checking your internet connection, verifying file size, or refreshing the app. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.